Hi guys! Today, we will open Toy Story Mystery Eggs. Only 3 though.
It's only 3. 3. Yeah. It's a 3.
And yes,
Egg store. Egg store.
but I'm gonna open your guys.
Egg store. Egg store.
Okay, put this guys.
Oh.
Oh no, the egg!
Oh. Why
I stabbed it.
Oh. Guys. I don't know.
Put it here.
Guys,
Put it
Kuya.
here.
No, I want this to be mine.
We stabbed the chocolate egg, so we're gonna open it careful. No.
Who is?
Open.
Oh, this doesn't. Look, guys. Hey.
No. Nothing's yours. We're just gonna share the toy. Put the chocolate there. It does taste like poop. What did we
Let me
get?
try.
We got... Huh? It doesn't say it here, but I think we got rare. Let's take a look at this. You want this? It's cute with yellow. Okay. It's cute. No one wants it?
Me.
Oh, you took it.
Who's the other one? Mine. That's mine.
No.
Oh, Gia.
We're gonna pick the toy. Guys, this egg is perfect. Now let's crack it.
I want mine.
No.
No! Look at this!
I didn't put that. I just got a coloring book. We can cut them, guys. We can. It's a guessing game. I got a guessing game. Okay.
I want to get a guessing game. Guessing game.
Or maybe a
guessing
rare.
game. I hate rares.
Rare is like golden.
Rare?
Oh, you just got like Gia.
I did.
She got the same, guys.
Ew.
Now, bite.
Mine
Gia, bite.
word. Mine word. Mine, that's word.
Bite.
I don't want.
That's mine.
Mine word. Mine word. Get mine word. What I get?
You miss? Gia.
Oh! Here. Oh.
No. We're gonna freeze that. Time to cut these.
I got for mine. What is where? I got.
Or maybe you should be just rip it.
No. What? No, don't rip
That's
it.
so easy.
Don't rip all. Don't rip all.
We're supposed to. Because it's like a guessing game.
What's the guessing game for?
You have to like guess 2 matches.
Oh, I got. Who's this?
Polly and Benny.
So the yellow and Ben. Yeah, the yellow is what? Ben. Pocky or Ben?
Stupid.
Belly. What's this again? The yellow one.
Throw this.
I want. Who buy it?
Mom.
Then mom's supposed to throw. Hey, what's this? The yellow.
Oh. I don't know. I don't know. I got that.
Mary,
No.
you pushed me. Ben.
That's the end of the video, guys. My sisters are ugly.